again, thinking about digital diligence, what is it that we want students to be mindful of? How do we want them to be intentional? How do we want them to be thoughtful? And one of the things that we know, and this has been the case for a long, long time, and especially in an era of social media, and especially as we lead into an election, the idea of civil or civic dialogue online is difficult. It's tough. We all have opinions, we all have perspectives, we all have biases, whatever way you want to describe this. Those are strongly held, and people come to these conversations with very firm beliefs. And we want to honor those beliefs, and yet we also want to think about how to engage in some substantive, productive conversation. And we know that Twitter is one of those places where this sometimes doesn't happen.